Boy, who phone you fixing, boy?
Man, bro, the bitch from the club last night.
It's not the tall rail?
Yeah.
Oh.
She fine as hell. She too old to have to crack that phone like that.
That dude too crap, man.
But you know what I realized though, bro?
What?
It's a lot of bad bitches with cracked phones.
Well, you dead ass right, boy.
Don't hold on to that. That is stuff, bro.
Boy.
I'm for the bitch so shit. No, she was fine.
How much you charging?
Shit, nothing.
Nigga, wow.
Welcome to Boss City D4.
Excuse me, I was coming in because I need to get my phone fixed. It won't turn on and it's cracked.
Let me see it. I'm gonna get my Ted to look at it. Hey, Nut! Yo! Hey, check this out for me. What it is? What's up? How you doing, man, man?
How you doing?
See what I'm talking about? Hey! Remember I was telling you about them with the phone, the bag?
About
with the
what?
phone?
Yeah.
What about them?
Nothing.
How you doing?
Nothing.
How you doing?
She kind of fine, ain't her?
She alright.
Tight shit.
Can you fix that?
Yeah, I can get it when you need it by the
Depot, baby.
Oh, okay. When I can get it back?
When you need it by.
ASAP.
Oh God! Swear to God, I got you.
Okay.
Swear to God.
How
Swear to
much
God.
though? How
I
much?
swear. I tell you, I swear to God, I got
I'm
you.
with him,
Okay.
though.
I swear to God.
All right.
Baby look all right though.
She alright.
All right. Well, you a trip. You ain't never had nothing that fine.
Bro, you don't remember Quita? Stop playing, nigga. Man, Quita, man.
The girl in the wheelchair.
Bro, she was fine, though, nigga.
Oh my God, bro! I'm gonna work on this girl. I'm gonna get her number out there. I swear to God. I swear,
I
boy.
need to call Quita while you bullshit.
For what? She might do need a ride. You got the van? I'm done, boy. I'm gonna go ahead and get her phone number.
I bet you won't get it.
Who?
Yo, bro, I bet you won't get it. Stink breath ass nigga.
I mean, messed up. My brother good.
Shit.
I fixed it. Even
Oh,
gave you a little
thank
case
you.
and everything.
I appreciate it.
Tight shit.
So what's my total?
You don't gotta pay nothing. You good.
Oh.
You good.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate that.
Just let a nigga take you out to eat or something type shit.
Oh, I can't do
You
that.
can't just give me some what?
I got a man.
You got a what?
I have a man.
A man.
Uh-huh.
Let me see your phone real quick.
For
Let me
what?
see it real quick.
What you trying to do?
I'll be back.
What's up? What you doing?
Man,
You heard, got that bit, bro?
man, shut up, bro.
You ain't get it?
Shut up, bro.
Told you, nigga. Stink breath ass.
She don't want to give me no phone number, bro? She don't want to give me no phone
You
number?
gonna fix the phone, bro? What the-
Fuck her phone. Fuck that nigga. Yeah, dirty ass. She dirty anyway. Now she dirty. Now she dirty. Now she dirty.
Man.
Here you go, me man.
What the hell is this?
Your phone.
First of all, this is not even my phone.
I don't care. I don't care what you got going on. Call your old man up here then.
Where my phone at?
That is your phone.
No, it's not.
Yes,
What-
it is your phone. So you don't want to get no. You don't want to
This
get nothing
is
to eat.
not my
You got
phone.
no old man. No way you got an old man with that broke ass
Hey,
phone.
baby, give me my
Ain't no
phone.
way you got an old man with that
Where's
broke
the
ass
manager?
phone.
Where's the manager?
Hey,
Because
you
this is
talking
not my phone. Hey,
I'm finna manage.
Give my
I'm
phone.
finna manage to lean your ass.
Hey.
I'm finna manage to
Where
lean
my
your
phone
ass
at?
straight up the
Where my
top.
phone
Alright.
at?
Alright, she
Tell
touched me again.
Hey, I
Touch me
just brought
again.
my phone.
Bro,
And what he just gave me was not my phone. And he just fixed it and brought me
What kind of phone
something.
you got?
An iPhone.
How much you told her?
I'm gonna get an iPhone. in
He
your
gave me like a
face
little
in minute.
discount.
Discount.
I ain't give her no discount, bro. She lying on me, bro.
Bro, you gonna get us fired, bro.
Alright,
Trick.
He needs to be
I got
fired. He's
you.
very rude, disrespectful, and very, very
I
insane.
got you, Steph.
you insane.